Neighbor just got done snow blowing the driveway and got my little shack out back so I can go medicate later, as they say. And the wind's still kind of blowing out. And she did my stairs and stuff. I'll go take a look out here. Some guy building a snowman over there. There's some people, yeah, they ran. I don't know why they would have run through there. That's fucking weird. Take a look at the world. There's nobody driving. But to be honest, it's not really even snowing, but it's not that bad. I'm gonna get a lot of snow on the camera. Whew, windy. I think my neighbor made a little place for his dogs to go pee and poo.